Hey girls, the technician from Blanton's is here to fix the water heater. Be good now.
We will. Remember, hot's on the left, cold's on the right.
Wow! Those Blanton guys really can do everything.